Welcome back. Kukul cars are facing ill effects of confusion between the Suda and Kukoli municipality. The street lights in Kukoli are lying unused for almost a year and a half. Why? Because of non-payment of electricity bills amounting to 8 lakh rupees.
These fancy street lights were installed in Kunkoli in 2006, but sadly they are lying unutilized since last 1.5 years as the electricity bills are not cleared. The street lights had cost over 1 crore to the government. The poles are installed in a stretch of 3 kilometers. There are about 180 to 200 light poles along this stretch.
आता म्हटल्यार जवळ 4-5 वर्सां जाली. लास्ट 5 वर्सां हे चालू आसले. पूण कितें जाला इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट प्रत्येक खेप बील आमकां म्युनिसिपालिटी धाडटा. सो जी सुडान केल्ली म्हणटकूच ताणें आमकां तें हँड ओवर केलें ना. सो आमकां बजेटान तें प्रोविजन करपाक मेळना. सो आतां ताजे ड्यू जवळ जवळ 7 lakhs मायज जाल्ले आसा. सो हांव आमच्या डायरेक्टरा कडेन उलयतलो आनी लेटर धाडटलो की तुमी आमकां हँड ओवर म्युनिसिपालिटी आमी ते मिटिंगेक घालून कितें तें डिसायड करता. नाजाल्यार तुमी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटा हँड ओवर करा. कित्याक जवळ 7.5 लाख बील आसा. सो म्युनिसिपालिटी cannot afford to pay because we have lack of funds. मेंबर सेक्रेटरी ऑफ जी सुडा त्याच्या नावान बील येता म्हणटकूच ताणें पे करपाक न्ही. तांचे कडेन प्रोविजन आसतलें.
It's true that Kunkolkars will face the darkness till the agency sort out the issue. Sameer Bhatt for Prudent.
Opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane has appealed Youth Congress to assess the reasons behind debacle of Congress party in 2012 Assembly poll. Senior congressman called the Young Brigade of Congress to lead the party for 2017 Assembly poll. Ronnie took a dig at BJP's 2012 election manifesto during his speech at Sankli Convention of Youth Congress.
आम्ही कोणाचे पाय उडोवंक जरूर लोकांनी मतां घातली, लोकांनी निवडून दिले आनी चुकोवपाक लावले. पूण विरोधी पक्षान आमी बसोन आज विचार करपाचो वेळ. आमी चुकले खंय, तांच्यो चुको तुमी दाखोवन तरणाट्यांक दाखोवन दिवंक. आज 55% भुरगे तरणाटे ह्या देशाचे नागरीक आसात. हेंच्यांनी आज फुडाकार घेवचो पडटलो. फुडल्या इलेक्शना खातीर लक्ष दिवन कांय कामां केली वयतली. जें कितें जालां विरोधी पक्षाचेर हांव म्हाका कांय सांगपाचें गरज ना. आज लोक सगळो जाणा कितें जालां. आमकां टिका करता. टिका आमी मतां खातीर चंद्र आनी सूर्य दिता म्हूण केन्ना सांगूंक ना.
Indian Olympic movement is seemingly heading towards a complicated future as the National Olympic Committee continues to defy the International Olympic Committee. The Indian Olympic Association has been suspended by the IOC since December last year. The IOC's latest directive to bar the charge-sheeted officials from IOA elections was shot down by the Indian body on Sunday. The overall attitude of IOA appears to be of self-interest prevailing over the national prestige.
This is the role of national Olympic committees as directed by the Olympic Charter. The mission of the NOCs is to develop, promote and protect the Olympic movement in their respective countries in accordance with the Olympic Charter, to promote the fundamental principles and values of Olympism in their countries, to ensure the observance of the Olympic Charter in their countries, to encourage the development of high-performance sport as well as sport for all, to take action against any form of discrimination and violence in sport, to adopt and implement the World Anti-Doping Code. The NOCs must preserve their autonomy and resist all pressures of any kind, including but not limited to political, legal, religious or economic pressures which may prevent them from complying with the Olympic Charter. While the IOA's interest is to preserve its autonomy as per the Charter, the National Olympic Body is not ready to accept IOC's suggestion to bar the charge-sheeted, corruption-tainted officials from its ranks. The height of hypocrisy of IOA is evident from the fact that even the Indian Sports Ministry is looking to bring in reforms matching with the IOC suggestions, but the National Olympic Committee is adamant on protecting the individual rights. IOA argues that when Indian Constitution allows charge-sheeted individuals to contest legislature elections, why cannot charge-sheeted IOA members hold their positions? While legislature is about politics, the IOA is a sports body, and aren't the two supposed to be two different ball games altogether? Unfortunately, India seems to have got into a habit of mixing the two and is paying the price in the form of ignominy of being suspended from the Olympic fold. Bureau Report, Prudent.
With this, we conclude this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.